Is your laptop running out of RAM? Task Manager showing high memory usage, even when nothing is open? If you're using Windows 11 and your PC feels slow because of RAM usage, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to reduce Windows 11 RAM usage, step by step, without installing any third-party apps. Step 1. Identify memory-hungry background apps. Before fixing the problem, you must see what's using your RAM. Steps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, open Task Manager, click the memory column to sort usage. If you see apps using RAM in the background that you don't need, close them first. This gives you an instant memory relief. Step 2. Disable unnecessary startup apps, advanced method. Many apps load into memory as soon as Windows starts. Steps. Open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, disable apps you don't need at startup. Example, game launchers, chat apps, auto-updaters, do not disable, Windows security, audio drivers, touchpad drivers. Restart your PC after this step. Step 3. Reduce background app permissions. Windows allows many apps to run in the background and consume RAM. Steps. Open Settings, go to Apps, click Installed Apps, select an app Advanced Options, set background app permissions to Never. Do this for apps you rarely use. Step 4. Optimize virtual memory. Very important, if RAM is limited, Windows uses virtual memory incorrectly by default. Steps. Press Windows plus R, type system.cpl and press Enter, go to Advanced tab, under Performance, click Settings. Go to Advanced, click Change under Virtual Memory. Now, uncheck Automatically Manage, select your system drive, C. Choose Custom Size. Recommended values, initial size, 1.5 times your RAM, maximum size, 3 times your RAM, click Set OK, then restart. Step 5. Disable sysmain, safe RAM optimization. Sysmain can consume unnecessary RAM on many systems. Steps. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, find sysmain, double-click it. Startup type manual, click Stop, then OK. This step is especially helpful on 4GB and 8GB RAM PCs. Step 6. Turn off memory-heavy visual effects, animations and transparency also use memory. Steps. Press Windows plus R, type system.cpl, go to Advanced. Performance Settings, select Adjust for best performance or manually disable animations, transparency effects. This reduces RAM and CPU load. Step 7. Keep browser RAM usage under control. Browsers are one of the biggest RAM consumers. Tips: close unused tabs, remove unnecessary extensions. Don't run multiple browsers at the same time. One browser with fewer tabs equals more free RAM. Bonus tip: highly effective. After boot, let your PC stay idle for 10 minutes, allow background tasks to finish, then check RAM usage again. You'll see a noticeable improvement. If this video helped reduce your Windows 11 RAM usage, hit the like button and subscribe to MenditTech. Because here, you get real performance fixes, not fake RAM booster apps.